Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this video lesson, we will look at another aspect of Romanian grammar. Hai să începem. Let's start. Let's look now at the use of Romanian interjections within a sentence. Within a sentence, interjections can function as attributes, atribute, verbal equivalents, echivalente verbale, and fillers, umplutură, which has no syntactical function at all. Let's look at some examples. Interjections as attributes. Atribute. Ia să vezi ce-am auzit. Ia să vezi ce-am auzit. Ni la el. Ni la el. Interjections as verbal equivalents. Echivalente verbale. Iată-l pe Ion. Iată-l pe Ion. Uite, el tocmai a ajuns. Uite, el tocmai a ajuns. Ia, a venit bunica. Ia, a venit bunica. Interjections as fillers. Umplutură. Mă gândesc ce să fac. Mă gândesc ce să fac. Aha, acum înțeleg. Aha, acum înțeleg. Oh, nici nu m-am gândit. Oh, nici nu m-am gândit. And that's the end of another Romanian language lesson. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence with one of the target words and post it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way, you won't miss the next episode. Also, if you can spare $1, consider supporting our project on Patreon. Ciao. This is Mihnea, signing off from Beijing. Bye bye.